So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve for the value of x using the square root method. In order for me to solve for x, I need to first get x squared all by itself on the left side of the equal sign. I need to isolate x squared. So I'm going to start by moving the term furthest away, which would be the -2. So I'm going to use inverse operations. So the opposite of -2 would be +2. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. It would cancel out here, and I would be left with 3x squared equals 192. Now x squared still isn't by itself, and I have that 3 that I need to move to the right side using inverse operations. Right now it's a multiplication problem. So the opposite would be to divide, and I'm going to divide by 3, both sides. And I'm going to get 64. Now, once I get it to this point, then I can use the square root method. So I'm going to take the square root of x squared, and I'm going to take the square root of 64. Now, the square root and the x squareds are opposite functions of each other, so they cancel each other out. I'm left with my x, and then I'm going to put in my calculator using the second function, x squared, for the square root, and I'm going to get plus or minus 8. But remember, when you go to write it, you want to use your curly brackets. You're going to write your smaller value on the left and your greater value on the right.